Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Absolute GH. Today we are going to make hair food, just the basics. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Let's go over the ingredients. I have petroleum jelly or Vaseline itself, then white oil, also have shea butter, wax, perfume, and then poho. The poho, we have two types. We have the powdered one and the rock one, but this time I'm going to use the rock type. And I also have the bottles to fill my pomade with. So let's start with the preparation. You first put your wax in a saucepan. Make sure that the saucepan does not contain any water, and you melt it under a very low heat. So after melting the wax, you then add your shea butter. Going forward, I will be adding other ingredients to it in my subsequent videos. For instance, if you want pomade that will make your hair grow, there are ingredients to it. If you want pomade that will stop your hair from breaking or from breakage, there are other ingredients. So this is just the basics. So after melting the shea butter, you then add the petroleum jelly or the Vaseline. You make sure you melt that one too. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Add the white oil. After adding the white oil, you then off the fire and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. Then you add the poho. Please don't stir, the poho will melt by itself. So after the poho has melted, I then use turmeric as my color. So I added a little bit of turmeric to the mixture, and then make sure I stirred it very well for it to be well mixed. You then add your perfume. And then I allowed it to cool down for a while, not too cool, but to cool down for a while, and then I filled my bottles. After filling the bottles, you let it sit down for it to harden by itself. So thank you all for watching my video. See you next time.